Exploring Speyer Germany is an enriching experience with its rich history and unique attractions. If you plan to discover this city, it is perfectly situated in Central Europe and one of the beautiful places to visit for day trips. Historically, it is known in English as Spires. It's a city in Rhineland-Palatinate in Germany, founded by the Romans. It is one of Germany's oldest cities. Previously surrounded by 68 towers, the old city gate was the only tower left standing when Speyer was burned down in the 17th century. The structure was left standing because the French general feared the rubble from the structure would destroy his campgrounds. Speyer Cathedral, a number of other churches, and the old gate dominate the Speyer landscape. Much of the pre-war town center also still exists, and the main cathedral still stands tall. There are many delightful parts of Speyer to explore, from the many cathedrals to the medieval clock tower to the small cafes lining the streets. Speyer is a unique blend of historic charm and bustling locals town. The tallest church steeple in the Palatinate dominates the cityscape. At just under 300 feet, it soars above all of the other buildings in the city, even the cathedral. It belongs to the Memorial Church, which was built between 1893 and 1904 in neo-Gothic style. It also impresses the beautiful stained glass windows and a defiant statue of Martin Luther in the vestibule. The Protestants collected donations and even gained the support of Kaiser Wilhelm II and his wife, who donated the glass window in the apse. The church has the largest organ in southwest Germany and the second largest mechanical organ in the world. Indeed, there is a remarkable amount to experience in Speyer. The city center is totally littered with impressive landmarks from across all areas, most notably the UNESCO-listed cathedral, which is the oldest of the three remaining Romanesque cathedrals in Germany. As early as 1981, Speyer Cathedral was added to the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites as the largest and most important house of worship of the Romanesque era in Germany. From 1039 onwards, it was the burial church of emperors and kings for almost 300 years. Speyer Cathedral is historically, artistically, and architecturally one of the most significant examples of Romanesque architecture in Europe. From architectural gems and beautiful churches to medieval sites and culinary specialties, the city has quite a lot to offer. Between Fischmarkt and Sonnenbrücke, a special old town district called Hasenpfuhl, formerly a district of shipbuilders and fishermen, today a sought-after residential quarter attracts. The well-preserved old town in Speyer, with its many alleys and markets, is a popular attraction for locals and visitors. Aside from the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the old town is also an architectural highlight. Historic houses, winding corners, and cozy squares create a very extraordinary atmosphere that makes the old town a special place. Consider as the main city center, Maximilian Street is the main shopping promenade and provides a picture-perfect backdrop for an afternoon worth of browsing Speyer shops and boutiques. The street is seamed with beautiful pastel-colored gable houses, cute cafes, specialty shops, and boutiques. So if you are looking for beautiful cities in Germany for a short trip, you should also put the captivating city of Speyer on your lists. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!